Sustainability is not just a trend. It's a new dimension of success. Make no mistake, it's very important for SAP Latin America and our customers.
Adicionalmente a isso, a gente traz portfólio de ESG que complementa toda essa nossa jornada.
Resilient, intelligent and sustainable.
Welcome to SAP Ecoseries. 2022 was the busiest year for new climate and sustainability regulations. Companies want and must act this year, so let's help them out. Look, a survey from Deloitte confirms that 99% of public companies expect to invest in ESG reporting technology and tools over the next 12 months. Let me explain why. The nature of value of companies have been disrupted, and new business rules are being created worldwide. But how much do we really know to talk to customers? In 2023, Europe, the United States, and the new International Sustainability Standards Board will finalize rules for climate disclosures. The environmental, social, and governance rules are becoming mandatory rather than optional. We have the European Taxonomy Regulation, make Latin American countries launch initiatives to reduce carbon emissions. If you want to export products to the EU, prepare for the carbon border tax, known as CBAM. It will have huge impact on Latin American exporters. In the capital markets, the IFRS will release new sustainability standards, including full supply chain information. Latin America is not behind. Here we have plastic tax in Chile that will prohibit the use of single-use plastics. Invested companies from the Mexican pension funds will be required to comply with ESG standards. In Brazil, a lot is going on. CVM mandatory disclosures for public held companies, a carbon market decree, big potential for voluntary carbon markets, and rules from the Brazilian Stock Exchange for gender and racial diversity in leadership positions. I know, there's a lot to catch up, but don't worry, we can help you with more details. Climate change will reshape competitive advantages in the next 10 years. Adapt, or go extinct. Just intention to do good is not enough. The question is, how do we, together, help organizations make the best use of SAP to achieve the sustainability ambitions? You already know, 90% of the world's transactions touch SAP systems, which means that most of the data needed to comply with regulatory reporting lives in SAP. But sadly, companies don't know how to use its potential. What is missing to connect the dots for systemic change? For example, in Colombia, Grupo Energía Bogotá has chosen the SAP Sustainability Control Tower powered by RISE with SAP to manage their sustainability strategy. I kid you not, before the solution was adopted, the process to gather information for ESG metrics was taking nearly a year. And guess what? It was done manually. See, companies need much more than manual spreadsheets and generic BI tools. We can help build trust and transparency and unlock the power of data with our sustainability solutions. That's why SAP built the SAP Cloud for Sustainable Enterprises. With brand new offerings like the SAP Sustainability Control Tower and the SAP Product Footprint Management. Great solutions for companies in every industry to start a sustainability journey. Our CEO, Christian Klein, has said this. We needed to expand our data model and embed sustainability metrics in every process. Because when you can give customers the transparency, it's the foundation for taking the right action. We are on a mission to make a positive impact. Let's give companies fast integration that will bring actual data instead of averages, and maximum flexibility and control for business users. And the automation with built-in audit and assurance of all sustainability processes, and the power to embed sustainability into business DNA. Here are my top recommendations to lead in this market. First, sustainability can no longer be separated from other business objectives, and SAP is the only technology company with the scale and scope to address this issue. Second, let's make CIOs fully aware that SAP solutions for sustainability can deliver on ESG ambitions. Lastly, we need to engage the sustainability departments and the chief sustainability officers. Let's give them the chance to know our solutions before it's too late and build trust on our capabilities. Together, we got this. Hagamos Eco.
The question that remains is, how can we use the ERP financials to calculate the impact of risks and opportunities for financial results?